Adjust power coupling on the manipulator arm.
Confirmed. We are reading green across the board.
Okay, logging severe corrosion at the 40-meter mark. The flooding damage is significant here.
Copy that, Supervisor. Scanning the waterline now.
Look at the drift rate on the SVR-1. It's incredible they managed transatlantic accuracy with this.
The modern differential correction is instantaneous by comparison.
Panels secured. Initiate the activation sequence for the scrubbers. All systems nominal.
The actuator tolerances look good.
Confirmed, within specs.
All right, guide it in slowly. Watch the alignment.
Lower the starboard side by 2 meters.
Aft section. Confirm pump pressure.
The stress indicators meet the naval standard. The weld holds exactly as required. The gauge is holding steady at maximum depth.
Digital readout confirms it's within tolerance. Log the results.
The readings stabilize at 0.05.
Good, good. Secure the panel, engineer. Riser connected. Activate the suppression system. Maintain pressure.
System active, Lieutenant. Pressure steady.
Good pattern. Secure the area and restore equipment.
Hoisting the main hook. Copy that. Moving up slowly.
Initiating the retraction sequence now. Monitor the pressure gauges closely. Pressure holding steady. System appears fully operational.
Our sanity control systems are designed for maximum efficiency in this closed environment.
We have reached operational depth equivalent. Monitor all seals. Leak detection is green across the board. Validation complete.
Dryer 5 is signaling complete. I'll grab that cart right now.
The count rate is stable, but high near this seam.
Yes, noting the localized dose rate here.
Increase fuel pressure to the auxiliary line.
Valve is open. Pressure stabilizing.
Initiate the start sequence now.
The resistance levels are stable across the new grid. We are good to proceed with the main conduit connection, Vasily.
Rudder response is nominal. Proceeding with stern plane cycle. Hatches report green, all systems go.
This valve controls the intake pressure for the first stage. It hasn't been serviced in decades.
The run out is perfect. Go ahead and tag it green. We are clear for assembly.
Roger that.
Levels are peaking at 500 rads. Acknowledge the alarm. Turning the key now.
System stabilizing. Logging the data.
Reactor coolant levels stabilizing, sir. Potable water filtration is online.
Confirmed. Levels are optimal. Good work, technician.
Verify guidance system alignment. Code 8 Baker. Verified. Weapon status. Go.
Systems check complete. Ready for spin test.
Activating radar mast.
Blast the lower section again. Copy. Moving down now.
The ultrasonic scan looks clean on this joint.
Agreed. No indications of fatigue on the manifold.
That's solid. Chain secured on this end. Good work. Let's move on.
Turbine engaging. Increase reactor power to 50%.
Acknowledged. Reactor at 50%. Generator online and stable.
All readings are stable now. The new cables are seated correctly. Good. Let's start the retraction. Slowly.
Preservation checklist complete for Section 4.
Good. All readings are nominal.
The optical system is restored. Activating the digital overlay now.
Clear resolution. The modernization is successful. Fire and engineering, Sector 4. Aft torpedo room reporting minor flooding.
Bridge, this is Control. We have confirmed containment. Radiation levels nominal.
Plot, update the board. I need a boundary in 30 feet.
Bridge, the rupture is isolated. E-warp team is proceeding with the patch.
The shift from analog to digital completely revolutionized how we train.
These old Typhoon gauges required constant monitoring. All hands, assume emergency surfacing protocols.
Flooding contained in Section 3, Captain. We are holding at 150 feet.
Set course 090. Maintain silent running.
Aye, Captain. Course 090.
Did you got the measurement for the next panel?
Yeah, it's 42 inches. Pass the tape. That's the last one for this section, FW45B.
Okay, manifest updated. Let's move to the auxiliary coolant lines.
Instrument power stabilizing, Captain. All panels reading normal.
Acknowledged. Steady as she goes.
We'll place the primary sensors here around the deck access points. The laser grid covers the waterline perimeter.
Understood. I'll start the alignment now.
We need to ensure the pathway is clearly marked, especially around the torpedo tubes. This route allows for safe passage while...
By analyzing the degradation patterns here, we can optimize the cathodic protection system.
Maintain heading 090. All ahead flank. Steady as she goes.
This Typhoon-class submarine represents a significant leap forward in naval technology, drawing unprecedented attention from around the globe.
This is the theatrical sequence. Adjust the sapphire beams to full power and sweep from the stern. Stand by for the camera move.
This state recognition underscores the diplomatic significance of preserving our shared heritage.
Platoon, present arms!
The true significance of the submarine in the Cold War lies not just in its destructive power.
The Ohio class, long the bedrock of the U.S. strategic arsenal, is slowly being replaced by the advanced Columbia class. The Typhoon represented the pinnacle of Soviet strategic deterrence. Operating from the Arctic bastion,
While built by different nations, these NATO counterparts shared critical technology, demonstrating a unified approach to underwater warfare.